This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Heather Delamarter. Stay close to the ocean and near Jaycee Park. Available annual rental. Partially furnished 1 studio apartment with kitchen and bath. Triplex unit top floor location. Shared laundry. Shared driveway for parking. Quiet street, close to all area shopping, dining, beach, parks and Central Beach. Easy to show, small pet okay. No smoking. For more information, review the details below or contact Heather Delamarter at 772-774-4405.